Hello children, I hope everyone are fine there and a very warm to everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVEM School Chakapat Nagaram dealing with the subject English. So children, all the students are doing the works very good and in a very predominant work. Okay, I appreciate all of you guys from bottom of my heart. So children, the next topic we are going to discuss is the articles, the grammar part. So here is our new topic, articles. Articles. What is articles? While explaining about articles, simply we say that a and the. These three are we called it as articles. So before discussing about articles, the main topic we have to discuss is determiners. What is determiners? Is there any relation between articles and determiners? Yes. First, look here. Determiners are words that specify a noun and point at it. Mainly, the determiners will specify or point out a noun. They will discuss mainly about noun. Determiners are somewhat related to adjectives. And what is adjectives? Adjectives qualifies the noun. Just like that, determiners point out the noun. It questions the noun, or it may express few more feelings about the noun. Okay, is there any relation between determiners and articles? Yeah, look here, look at the flow chart. Determiners. These determiners are classified as 6 types. These determiners are classified as 6 types. What are those? Look here, I'm zooming few more. So look clearly. Determiners are 6 types. The first type is articles. The second one is distributors. Third one is quantifiers. And fourth one is possessives. Fifth one is interrogatives. The last one is demonstratives. So it's clear that articles is one of the type of determiners. Okay, what are articles? A and the. And these three we discuss very less. Why? Because up to now I think so you don't know anything about these 5. Okay, so look at the clearly. Distributors means the words either, neither, each, every. And quantifiers means some, any, much, many, several, lot, these type of words. And possessives means my, our, your, his, her. And interrogatives means the question itself says that questioning words. What, which, whose, when, why, this type of actions. And demonstratives means this, that, these, those. So it's clear that determiners are 6 types and determiners are somewhat related to adjectives. And the topic, today's our topic is articles. These articles are belongs to determiners. Okay, articles are the one of the type of determiners. Okay children, up to here clear? So now we are going with our main topic, articles. Articles. A and the are determiners that indicate the coming of nouns. It mainly indicates noun, and these articles are 2 types, definite articles, indefinite articles. Clear children? The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. So while going into the next, we will discuss first indefinite article. What is indefinite article? A and are indefinite articles. What is definite article? The. The is the definite article. So look at here. First, I am going to discuss about indefinite article. A and. So first point is A and are indefinite articles. They generalize noun. They discuss about noun. A and are used with singular nouns. They discuss with singular nouns. Okay. They are considered to be the abbreviated form of one. Obviously, they are interlinked with each other. A and an are generally used with countable nouns. They mainly used with countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Oranges, grapes, lemons, money, countries, persons. These all are countable nouns. Okay. A and an are mostly used for countable nouns. Okay, children. Next. So, the next point is A is used before nouns beginning with consonants and consonant sounds. The word, the letter A, the article A is used before the nouns beginning with consonants and consonant sounds. A comes before consonants and consonant sounds. For example, a boy, ba, B. The sound B is a consonant. So we use A before the noun boy. So here I am saying that consonant sounds, consonant sounds, consonant sounds. What are those consonant sounds? In English, we have mainly 24 consonant sounds. The first one is P, pet, apple, cap. And the next B, bat, table, tab. Next T, to, utter, meet. D, do, thunder, pad. I am saying the words, I am giving examples. Okay, next, this is the consonant sound of C, ka. Okay, cat, market, duck, ka sound. Next, G means get, I go, jug, ga sound. Next, M, ma sound, meat, tomato, jam. And the next one is N sound, now, any, pan. Okay, this is long N stroke sound. This is short N. So look at here, first I am going with long N. Examples, longer, sing. That means I am stressing the word on N. Longer. After N we are giving some stress. Sing. For N I am stressing. So that we call it as long N. And I am differentiating to, look at here, now, short N. Longer, large N. Okay, next, L, low, pillow, fall. Okay, next, this is when we get this is T sound. This is long T and this is long T. We can, for example, chilt, future, match. We are stressing T. And next one, this is the symbol of J. Jump, largest, bridge. This is J sound. Next, long F, for, refer, off. So next sound is V. van, river, brave. Next is the sound of, this is the consonant sound of TH. TH, like thing, method, might. And this is also the symbol of TH. This is also symbol of TH. But this is comes under, when we get after TH we get A or E. This is the consonant sound. For example, that, brother, back. Okay? And this is yes. So, possible, kiss. And next, ja, zoo, razor, rose. And next, long S, sure, assume, dash. And this is long Z, pleasure, garage. And this is H, he, ahead. Next this is R, roam, carried. Next this is J. Sorry that it's not J, it's U. U, pupil, just like that. And the last one is W, well, between. So it's clear that A is the word which used before the consonants 24 sounds, and an is used before nouns beginning with vowels and vowel sounds. An is used for vowels A, E, I, O, U. You already learned this topic from childhood onwards. So I hope up to here clear. Next we are going to discuss about the usage of A. A is used for consonant sounds like a single entity like a bag, a car. And A is used for certain quantity. In the sense, a dozen eggs, a cup of sugar. And also for rank, profession, community. First rank, profession, doctor, teacher, community, Muslim, Hindu, and etc. And for a proper noun, Sonali, Ramu, the dog Piku, and the cat Millie. Just like that, proper nouns also we use A. So next, I am going with definite articles. What is definite article? Da is the definite article. It particulars a noun. Da is the definite article, and da is used for both singular and plural nouns. But indefinite articles A and an are used for only singular nouns. But da is used for both singular and plural. Next, da is considered to be the abbreviated form of the word. Da may abbreviated instead as these, that, those, this. Instead of da, we use these also for sometimes. Okay, da can be used with uncountable and countable nouns. For both uncountable and countable nouns, we use da. But A and are only used for countable nouns. Look here. Here is the usage of da. If there is two or more nouns on a sentence, to define a specific noun, we use da. Look here. Here butterfly, the room, pink. These all are nouns. But to define a specific noun, we use da. For which noun? For butterfly, we use da. Okay. And it also represents a class. A rich, poor, lucky, unlucky. These are the classes of a person or a human beings. To represent a class, we use da. And also for common nouns like the tiger, there is no specific name for tiger. And also for the fox, there is no specific name for the fox. For these type of common nouns, we use da. And also to show a quality, the beauty, the beauty of the flowers is amazing. The flowers quality is weak. We will explain through da. And next, to refer a unit, Unit means a dozen, a liter, a kilo. For these type of units also we use the. So and also for the directions and common nouns, the east, there, the north, the south, the moon, the stars, the planets, these also we use the. And nouns repeated on the same sentences. For example, I bought a vase from the shop. The vase is beautiful. Here vase is repeated. For this noun we use the. For repeated nouns also we use the. And also the is used for many things like seas and oceans, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, rivers, mountain ranges, newspapers, important buildings, the whole families. I think these all are clear. Then I hope the whole families are not clear to you guys. Families. That means the whole families like Chanukya family, Chandragupta family, Gupta's family, Maurya's family. For explaining these type of historical families also we use the. So children, I hope up to here A and the topic articles is completed and hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.